Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
When I picked up the quadriplegic in his wheelchair, and I twisted my back and I twisted
You
my
hurt your neck
at the same time.
How many years ago?
This was in
It's over 30.
30 years, over
at
30
least,
years. Okay.
At least 30 years.
Okay. And what kind of treatment you had after that? What happened?
Nothing.
Did you have surgery or anything?
I did have surgery. I was fused from the 3rd to the 5th.
So C3 to C5.
5.
Yep.
And then 9 years ago, I was having trouble again. I couldn't turn my head, and they went back into C5 to C7. So I'm fused from 3 to 7 now.
3 to 7 now.
Yes.
And what's difficult for you to do? Did you have physical therapy after that, chiropractor, anything?
No, I went to therapy, but they just told me to walk around the room, and I couldn't walk around the room because of my back surgery.
Oh, okay.
And they said that's all they could do for me.
Okay, all right. So how much pain do you feel there, and what's difficult for you to do?
I can run probably 5 or 6 on a normal day on the pain.
Okay.
From 1 to 10.
Constant pain or just
constant?
5, 6 constant pain. Where do you feel it exactly?
It's through
the
here.
The sides?
Yeah, the sides and down my spine.
Down your spine.
Yeah.
Okay.
And when I turn my head, it's like through here.
Okay. And towards how much pain?
Heavy 10.
10. Okay. And what make it worse? Which motion? Turning?
Turning my head like this right now is right there.
Yep.
And doing like this to lower my head.
How much pain from 0 to 10 when you did this now?
This, it shoots it up from a 5, it'll go to an 8 just like that.
Alright, so we're gonna do that range of motion now, and I want you to keep track, like how far you can look, okay?
Okay.
So let's look down. You see it's very limited, and she's like, her head is actually kind of jerking, you know, it's not going down smoothly, it's just pulling back.
Yeah.
Okay, can you look up as far as you can?
Right there?
She is actually not even like 0 degree of extension here. She's not lifting not extending, she's actually lifting her eyes to compensate for that. Okay, twist to the left and right.
Right there, she starts
That's not
hurting.
even 40 degrees, that's like 20 degrees here. Okay, very limited.
And right there.
Oh, she's not even 10 degrees. Yeah. Okay, side bend, left and right.
Side bend. Oh, here, like over. That's it.
Yeah, and the other side. So realistically, she has fusion, so she will have limited range of motion. Gonna work on that. Okay.
Because 90% of the time, if you're sitting there and I'm sitting here, I turn my body to see you, not my head.
She's turning her body. That's okay. We can use that for reassessment.
If I do my dishes, then I can do like 4 plates set down.
Oh.
The silverware set down. The 3 or 4 glasses set down.
Okay.
And every time I sit down, it's anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes before it's getting deep.
Too much?
Yeah, no, keep going.
Okay. If you feel pressure, that's fine. But if you feel pain, just let me know, okay?
Okay, you're starting to pain.
Okay. What about now?
And it's running back up through here.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do this side.
Okay.
How about now? Here.
Yeah, right there. That was real touchy.
Okay, let's, I'm gonna desensitize this area.
Okay.
Just do other stuff and we'll get to that.
And keep your tummy tucked.
Oh yeah, I
your
keep
posture's
forgetting.
a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, bring your chin back a little bit. Yep.
Ouch.
Okay. Yeah, I want you to focus on this now so we can retrain your core muscles to activate it. This is how you want to sit, even in the front of the computer.
Okay.
Make sure you suck your stomach in all the time.
Okay.
I think it's part of the issue you have is you slouching forward, your head is just totally forward.
Yep.
So we need to work on that, okay?
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. I'll give you a haircut at the same time. No, not really.
Well, I was gonna cut
I'm
my
not-
hair, but he
I'm
wouldn't
not
let
gonna
me.
mess it up. I'm not. No, don't worry. You
No,
don't
I
want
would-
me to cut your hair. Nope, you don't want that.
No, I was gonna cut my own hair, but I couldn't get in the shower afterwards
Yeah.
last night, so I said, no, I'll cut my
You
hair
know how to
tomorrow.
cut your hair?
Yeah,
Oh wow, nice.
yeah, I cut
That's
my
not
own hair
easy.
all the time.
Especially
I cut
going
it.
back, making sure everything is the same height.
Yeah, same
Yeah.
length. Yeah.
The back
That's
is a
awesome.
challenge, but
Yeah,
I've been cutting my own hair since 7th grade.
yeah,
But now
Well,
I'm growing
did
it
you-
out, so
yeah. That's nice. Well, I shaved my head, so
that makes
it's
it
like a
easy.
buzz.
Yep.
It's over. Yeah. The machine knows to mow everything the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ouch.
Sorry. Okay. So I'm gonna desensitize this a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
How does feel?
Cold.
Okay, good. You don't need to look down. Look straight. Okay.
Okay.
How's that?
Okay.
Too much or too
No,
high?
it's fine.
What about now?
It's still fine.
So
It's
this
still
was
fine.
very sensitive. Actually, I could not touch it.
Yeah.
So
Okay, now she's getting deep.
okay. What about now?
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a little deep.
How would a person do their?
You
like
definitely can do
their-
the front easily. You probably wouldn't need a family member to do it just 5 minutes in the back, you know. Mechanically, you really cannot do this. Some people, they have a good range of motion in their arm. You just do
Right.
this. But if you have family member, we usually recommend that for the back. So, but in the front, she can definitely do the whole thing in the front
Mhm.
without any issue.
And you can put the magnet with the strap.
Yeah, the
Just
you
to
can
wear
use the
it where you
magnet with the
can't
strap.
reach.
Yeah, the magnet with strap, you can put it this way, or I usually like to do it across, so
Mhm.
it's doesn't fall.
Yeah. Okay.
How's this?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Yeah, like area like this, she can definitely reach that
Yeah.
to do this spot.
Yeah.
And with the A3, she can work on the scar tissue in the front, so that's reachable. Did you have any head trauma or you hit your head ever?
Nope.
Okay.
Well, wait a minute. When I was 3 years old, my sister ran my head into iron bedstead.
Oh my
I got a
gosh.
scar between my eyes.
She's strong, yeah? Wow.
And you received a lot of blunt force to the head as a child from a parent.
That's true. Mama beat me up across the head and shoulders all the time.
That's how your inner ear bones got crushed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you feel you have jaw issue or headaches?
No headaches.
Which is remarkable with that
With
scar
all of
tissue.
the scar tissue and
Mhm.
head traumas is usually trigger TMJ or headaches,
Mhm,
you know.
mhm.
She's tolerating this very well, okay? I'm gonna release your fascia on your head, and you actually can do this at home. The head area is very easy to work on it with the tool at home. One time I had a patient, she was like, what, 60 years old or something like that, coming for TMJ and headaches, so
Mhm.
I'm gonna work on her head. She was like, please don't touch my hair because I'm going to party after this. I'm like, okay.
You want
And
me to
I'm
work
not
a
working on your
miracle?
head today.
So we need to kind of work on the TMJ and the head here, you know. Okay, I can see you after the party.
Yeah.
And be a little bit heavier a little bit and get to the corner here. You need to do the whole area. When you feel the scar tissue,
Yeah.
that's where you want to break it. If you don't feel those bumps, you just move on. You're gonna feel it more around your ears. That's what I felt.
Okay.
Mhm.
And you actually can go here. Feel this bump?
Yeah.
This area, my finger.
Okay.
Probably want to go. How's that?
Right there. Yeah.
Is it easy or hard to use it on yourself?
No, it's easy.
Yeah.
It's like scratching your head, Karen. That's
Okay.
tender, baby.
Yeah. So you can have it like, it's really good. Some people do it before going to bed because it
Yeah.
feels good.
Go
When it
to
makes you
sleep.
bed, yeah. Especially if you have headache or something like that, and I feel a lot of scar tissue around here, so we need to work on this area. You okay?
Yeah.
What happened?
Took my tool away.
Oh, you want it?
No, it's okay. Go ahead.
You know,
You're-
it's easy session for me. You can use the other arm, do the other side, but I want you to do this area. Yeah. There you go. You feel that?
Yeah.
The best thing is if you can have the patient do the work, so you can just
Watch them.
rest a little bit.
Well, that ensures that they can go home and continue the
Yes,
progress.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, my 6 years old, he knows how to use it on his head and his body. How's that?
That's good.
Yeah, let me get to the areas
Okay.
that's in the back here.
Okay.
So I'm not using lotion here, so we don't make a mess in your hair.
Yeah,
Okay.
I appreciate that.
You think about what you're experiencing?
No, because it's like a burning and when he's scraping,
Uh-huh.
and then it's like a release, and then it's burning and a release.
So
And
a lot of sensation going on, yeah?
yeah,
Okay. We'll let you drink some water. See here. Gonna do the other side. Not too bad this
sitting
side.
about my stomach.
Yeah. Look up nice and tall. Look up nice and tall. So if you have moderate to severe inflammation, it's a good idea to wear it around your neck, around those areas.
Okay,
And I'm gonna work. Where did they do the incision in your neck?
in here, right in here.
Okay.
I can't see
Yeah,
it.
they
I
did
think
a
it's
good
right
job.
there.
You cannot see where. Suck your stomach yet?
Mm-hmm.
All the way up. So initially, when she started, it was like it was not a smooth movement. It was like a gear shifting, you know, in the head, and she could not even, her chin could not even touch down. That's good.
That's 5.
Turn left and right 5. Pain free, okay? So that's the exercise you're gonna do at home, because we gained the range of motion now, because she has not done that range of motion for 30 years. Your muscles are weak. You need to strengthen. Feel the band. You feel this band here?
Mm.
Yes. Usually the correct answer is yes.
Yes.
all the time, okay. So,
Well, I was trying to feel it.
you feel it? You feel this? Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Now it's starting to hurt right
Oh,
there.
sorry. Okay. What about now here?
Nope, that's good.
That's good. Okay.
But then there was that lady, there's an intruder coming into her house,
Uh-huh.
and she got flustered,
Uh-huh.
and she wanted to tell him something, but all she could remember was the scripture reference.
Uh-huh.
And she shouted Acts 2:38,
Uh-huh.
and the guy freaked out and ran out of the house, and the police are like, "What are you running from?" And he said, "That lady has an Acts and 2:38.
Oh.
But Acts 2:38 is repent."
Bible.
From, yes.
That's a good verse to remember.
Acts 2:38.
Yep.
Oh, that smarts a little bit.
Yeah, so remember that. That's smart.
Yeah.
That's smart.
Oh, I ain't worried about what it looks like. It's just pulling it. That hurt.
Oh, I'm not gonna pull your hair today.
You already did.
Okay. I don't pull hair here. Don't be scared to come.
No, the tool pulled the hair.
Yeah.
Only briefly.
Yeah.
Because they fuse almost like most of her C-spine, I don't expect full range of motion. But her flexion is really good for the fusion she has. She's fused 3 to 7, so she's not gonna have full range of motion, but this is very good. Okay. Well, the idea, I wanna make
Yeah.
sure she safely can rotate, because that's, especially when she drive, instead of moving her whole body. How's that?
It's pretty good.
Good. Yeah, let's do 10. She's moving faster.
Not guarding as much.
Yeah. Are you counting?
10. Yes,
If
sir.
not counting, we're gonna do 300.
What
No,
about
that was
your
only
ear to
10.
shoulder?
10. Let's do so. Constant pain. How is it now?
I think it's less than 3.
Okay. What about when you move? Can you feel how? does it feel?
Yeah, I can feel it still when I come like here.
Uh-huh.
It's like through
A
there.
little bit tightness.
Yeah.
We're gonna work on it. Let's see
This one's not as much as this one.
if when I do this, turn your head and tell me how that feel. Any difference?
I think it was further.
You're going further. Okay. Let's
I
do
think
10,
so.
10 rotation left and right. So that's a very good sign of inflammation, especially when we put the magna heel and the range of motion increase. That means internally there's inflammation that's limiting that range of motion. So moderate to severe inflammation, you probably need to wear that a little bit, like throughout the day, you know. Good. So the constant pain, just look straight and, and tell me if the constant pain had changed when we put the magna heel.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. Yeah, and the rotation
I think it went further back this time.
in here. Oh, you
Yeah.
moved further back.
Yeah, I moved
Yeah.
my
You can see
my
me like you
side
did more.
further
Yeah.
more.
Yeah, so probably you want to wear it for several hours, and sometimes you need to sleep with it if it's too inflamed. You will know when to stop when you start to you remove the magna heel, and you're maintaining the range of motion and no pain. That's mean you don't have to continue doing it.
Oh, okay.
So she sleeps with a little neck pillow. Could we put the magna heel
Yeah.
with the smaller band, and where would you put it? Would you center it or put it to one
You
side?
put
if
it
she's
where
gonna
do
be
you feel the
sleeping?
tightness, where you feel the inflammation. So it's very typical you're gonna feel it like in the worst spot. Then when the inflammation goes down here, she might feel inflammation on the other side. So you just
Put it to one side one night
Yeah.
and the other the next,
well,
depending on what you're
depend
feeling.
what you feel. You know, you feel there's more swelling here, more inflammation, more tightness. That's the side you're gonna use it. Reality, she probably gonna move it around because one side gonna calm down. She will start to notice, okay, we need to work on the other side. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.